Hey guys, you're here for update 1 on Windstorm Eva. So this is as of 1000 UTC on the 24th of December 2015, Christmas Eve actually. Storm's located at 55.5 degrees north, 15.4 degrees west. Winds are 65 miles per hour, and the pressure is a staggering 924 millibars at the moment. Which is not really strictly unheard of with extratropical cyclones really in the UK. We've had storms, I believe, I think the lowest we got to was 918 millibars, I think it was, though that air pressure is normally associated with tropical cyclones, possibly with intensities of, I believe, a good that is borderline category 5 pressure actually, because normally you see that air pressure in strong category 4s, maybe weak cat 5s as well. This is the source that we got from one of the pressure charts, which read 924 millibars, and that was actually at surface as well. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. And basically, at the moment, I'm just feeling sorry for the people in Cumbria after Windstorm Desmond back in late October, early November, I believe. I hope everyone affected by Desmond also gets through this storm okay. Hopefully, it should be weaker than Desmond and should have less effect on the UK. Though this is a fresh storm, really stay safe everyone in the storm, and I hope it passed as well, and I hope everyone is okay after the storm as well. Anyways, other than that, I do wish everyone watching a very Merry Christmas, and also to the guys in Cumbria as well. I hope you get through the storm okay, and I hope everything works out okay. So I'm going to say again, very Merry Christmas to everyone watching. Thank you guys for watching. This is 4015 signing off. Also to say that the next update will be tonight at 1800 UTC.